Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I want to do one more problem on the Quadratic Formula 1A worksheet. You can see here number 1, which we just did. I'm going to go down to let's try number 4. So, what are the steps? We first identify A, B, and C, then we find the discriminant, and then we plug it into our quadratic formula. So let's go through those steps. A here is 5, B here is 10, C here is negative 40. So the discriminant is b squared, so it's going to be 10 squared minus 4ac. Well, a is 5 here, and c is negative 40. Now, 10 squared is 100. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 40 is 800. And that ends up being, I'm sorry, this is positive though, positive 800 because negatives cancel. 100 plus 800 is 900. And so what do we see here? We see that the discriminant is a positive number. Since it's positive, we know that we're expecting 2 solutions. Now, what is our quadratic formula itself? X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of d over 2a. So let's go and plug into that. X equals negative parenthesis 10 plus or minus the square root of 900 all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 5. And remember, we could simplify all 3 of these bits in one step. The negative with the 10 becomes negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 900, which is 30. And again, that's what your calculator is for. 2 times 5 is 10. Then at this stage, once we're here, this is where we're going to split it. And we're splitting it because of the plus minus symbol. It splits into negative 10 plus 30 over 10 and negative 10 minus 30 over 10. So negative 10 plus 30 is positive 20. Positive 20 over 10 is 2. That is one solution. Negative 10 minus 30 is negative 40. Negative 40 divided by 10 is negative 4. And that is our second solution. And again, how did I know I was going to have 2 solutions? Because the discriminant was positive. And let's take a look at the whole problem. It's a lot of work. That's true. I would say it's actually a little easier than factoring when a is not 1. But more importantly, the importance of the quadratic formula is it works even for things that are not factorable. So there's problem 4. Please go ahead and do 5 and 6 on your own.